Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. In the lesson, I will teach you on how to configure VPN in our Fortigate. This lesson, I will focus on IPSec VPN or remote access. As you can see the scenario, I have my small network, okay, and here is the client VPN that we need to access into our network. Here is our network with this IP address, and then this user is he or she wants to access to our like file server or to access our LAN, need VPN to be accessed. So to configure this, let me log into our Fortigate. Okay, and then you go to your network interface. Here is my LAN interface port 2, and I have already configured my WAN port, okay, on port 1. So for VPN, first you need to go to VPN. Okay, you go to VPN wizard, and then here I want to put any name, like I will put remote VPN. Okay, remote VPN, and then here we want to do remote access, like not side to side, remote access VPN, and then this one for the get. You can see here for the get internet, we can access to mobile or to your PC. It works. It can be support Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Okay, then you click next. Okay, and then incoming message WAN, you have to choose WAN port, and then pre-share key. Make sure that this key you have to remember. Okay, because this key will be used when we put on our client. Okay, user group. You can also create user group at once. Here I have created with a user group. I also create another user group for you. New user. I will put user VPN group. Okay, user VPN group. Okay, I will put like this, and then you choose firewall here, and then member. You can create new user. Okay, also here create user, and then I choose. There are also like many like this user or LDAP. Anyway, this video I will show you only the local user. Yeah, which is the easy way for you. And then click next. Okay, this one is refer to the user that we use to access to our LAN. Okay, like the user, the client here. Yeah, the client VPN. We have to use this user to log in. Okay, I will put like test. Okay, test one. Okay, and then the password. Okay, and then here you can also enable two-step authentication when user log in need another two-step. Okay, in this video I done put here, but you can also try for email or your mobile also here. Okay, next. Okay, and then submit. Okay, network. Okay, and then test one user. Okay, then click OK. Okay, with a user group. Click here. With a user for this just done. Okay, next. And the one you have to add your local, your LAN. Okay, LAN network. And you can also add all, or you can specify like your LAN, like you have this LAN. Okay, I can also add for you. I will add another LAN. I will put start LAN, start VPN LAN. Okay, something like that. Then I will put subnet. Then our IP address of our LAN is here. Okay, this is our LAN address. Okay, I will put start VPN LAN. Okay, and then interface LAN 2. Okay, click OK. add. Okay, and then when the client that he want to remote to our LAN, we have to assign some IP. For them, I will put .20 .20 .20 to 20 .20 .20 like 30. Okay, so when he remotes the remote client will get this IP address. Okay, click next. Okay, next, create. Okay, and then after create, you can also show your tunnel list. Double click on here. There are many things that we can do from here, but what I focus, I just want you to see this one. Okay, here is what we have configured. I cancel. I go again. What you need to consider is here I want wait, double click on it, and then you convert to custom tunnel because I want to see what encryption that I have used. Okay, and then you go to your authentication. Okay, here it also show over here one here, because this one we will use this authentication or encryption when we configure it on the client. Okay, just click cancel. Okay, tunnel again. Here the authentication. Okay, hash. I want to see my face. Okay, convert. After I convert, you need to click OK. Recently, I haven't clicked OK yet. That's why it doesn't show. Okay, here you have to see here. This undefined. This is the encryption that we require. You can also go to firewall. Interface. Okay, and check interface a bit. Okay, interface when correct. Policy object firewall rule. Okay, you see this VPN, it has automatically created when we configure the IPSec VPN. Okay, now we are going to go to our client. Okay, to configure this. Okay, here is my VPN client. Okay, VPN client machine. Okay, it's over here. Two close one. Okay. Okay, let's say is I ping IP address to my LAN. Okay, not recognize 1110. Okay, cannot. Sorry. It will be timeout. Everyone you see. Okay, timeout. It cannot be accessed. And here is the IP address of our LAN. Okay, let's see. When I ping, cannot respond to. Okay, so on the client PC, when you want him or her to access to our LAN, you need to have a FortiClient VPN A1. So you need to install this app. You can go to Google on Fortigate website and then download for FortiClient and install in your client PC. Okay, I have already installed. And then you go to, when you open this one, it will be lead you to this page. Okay, because I have create one, that's why it's so something like this one. But for the first usage, will be pop up with this one. Okay, what we configure is IPsec VPN, and then this one you give any name. For example, I put VPN 2024. Yeah, example. And then the model says this one is the public IP of your Fortigate. Okay, let's say I will put the public IP of my Fortigate. Okay, and then pre-share key, the key that we have just input in our Fortigate. Okay, and then you scroll down. You see page. This one is important. So to verify this, I go to my VPN again. Then you go to IPSec Tunnel, double click on it. Okay, here the patch one. Okay, so algorithm, our encryption, this one DS and undefined. Okay, and then this one encryption DS SHA-1. Okay, SHA-1. Okay, for page 2, if you don't have, you can let it blank. Okay, this one I don't configure, but if you want to be clear, you can just click on it. The same, this one is the same thing, but we can also let it full as well. For this one, it doesn't have any problem. Okay, then just click save. Okay, and then this one is the user. Okay, the user is here that we just created. If you forgot, user here, test one. Okay, you can log in with test one, and then the password of test one. Connect. So we just wait a bit. Each one it's down. That means that our configuration is have something problem. Oh, I put the wrong username and password. Okay, we can go to edit connection, whether our like public IP or the information that we input correct or not. Okay, I put wrong with my public IP. That's why we cannot access it. Okay. Okay, this one, save. That should be okay. Okay, you see, now the connection is published. You can see the IP address that we set for this remote client 20.20.20. And now let me ping to our network with, see, now it can be accessed to our client. Okay, and then ping to gateway, it can be also success. Okay, and another thing I want, like you have many user, you can also create user here. For example, I want this one is test one. Let's say if I want to create test two, you can also clone, or you can also create here. Okay, I can be clone here. Okay, I will put VPN test. Okay, click OK. Okay, and then we can also edit on this user VPN test. Okay, and then we can put the password for this user. Okay, this one is do like what we just configured recently, A1. Okay, user group. Okay, this one user group, we use user VPN group. Okay, click OK. So as you can see, the VPN test user and also test one is the same group, and the status is enabled, so you can log in with this user. If you have many more user, you just follow this step, so it will be a success. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that this lesson is useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.